Ah, breath and tapping is very, very powerful. I've just been doing a lot of tapping, so I'm feeling really calm. But I want to show you a really nice, simple technique for those times when you maybe want to do just a little bit of breath work meditation with the tapping. We're just going to do the tapping points, and we're just going to breathe in. Start off with breathing in for 2 and out for 4. The inner eyebrow. Breathing in for 2 and out for 4. Outer eyebrow. Breathing in for 2 and out for 4. Really focus. Just allow your body permission to relax. Breathing in for 2 and out for the breath of 4. Under the nose, and maybe you want to play around with that breath. Breathe in. Maybe you want to breathe in for longer, and then try and breathe out for longer. I'm going to do a 4 and a 6 maybe, or a 4 and an 8. So I'm going to breathe in 4, and maybe I'm going to breathe out. And then just go back to another cycle. And maybe I'll do the same. I'll just breathe in for 2 and out for 2. Then breathe in for 4, out for 4. I'm just cycling. I'm just finding out actually what breath I'm finding what I'm enjoying the most. Just tuning in and really focusing in. Just breath and tapping is really powerful, just to calm. And sometimes we don't always have the words, especially if we feel heightened. Just breathe. And just connect. It's just connecting to your body. But the magic happens at the tip of our fingers, because this is like acupuncture without needles. And we're instantly communicating with the brain and lowering our stress hormones, promoting the feel-good hormones. And I like to just place my hands across my chest if I've done breath work, and maybe just close my eyes and just focus back in on the breath. Oh, it's so lovely. It's like giving yourself an emotional hug. I love it. I love it. Much kindness.